So as the rest of the League of Ireland enters hibernation mode over the winter break for Shamrock Rovers and for Shelbourne, the big European nights keep on coming. For Shamrock Rovers, it's a big European night here on Thursday evening. Ukraine's Shakhtar Donetsk are the visitors here to Dublin 24 with almost 9,000 tickets sold for the league phase clash. Now, for the Hoops, it's been a memorable last couple of weeks. Last month saw them eventually get over the line in their title-winning campaign as they lifted a fifth league title in 6 seasons. And from there, it was all eyes on Lansdowne Road and clinching a first League and Cup double in 38 years. And they got the job done against Cork City, Rory Gaffney's Cup final winning brace, securing a memorable day at the Aviva Stadium for Stephen Bradley's men. As this team under Stephen Bradley had ticked the one box really left to be ticked over the last couple of years. So from there, it's all eyes on the league phase campaign with 3 more big games to come between now and Christmas. Shamrock Rovers league phase campaign started on a low note with back-to-back defeats away to Sparta Prague and here against Celia, but they got the campaign back on track with a really well-deserved point against AAK Athens 3 weeks ago, a game they really could have won, only for the host to hit back with an injury time penalty. So talking to Stephen Bradley before the game, he said there's no doubt about it, Shakhtar Donetsk, the visitors from Ukraine, are by no doubt the toughest side they've faced so far this season. A team, as I said, with huge European experience and Champions League experience, 19 group stage participations in the Champions League since 2000. It's their first time to play a side from the Republic of Ireland. They did play Linfield in UEFA competition in 1995. They, of course, played in the Champions League as well last season, coming 26th out of the 36 teams and failing to make it through to the knockouts as they took on the likes of Arsenal, Bayern Munich and Borussia Dortmund as well. So this season so far, they've 6 points from 3 games. They beat Aberdeen and Breidablik in between a 2-1 loss away to Legia Warsaw. Their manager is a name a lot of Irish fans might know. Their manager, Arda Turan, formerly of Galatasaray, Atletico and Barcelona. He does have 100 caps for his country as well. He took charge last May, and there's very complimentary of the Shamrock Rovers players as well, Dylan Watts and Josh Honan in particular. So across the Irish Independent, we'll have the latest build-up and reaction to Shamrock Rovers and Shelbourne's big European games.